Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to operate your Nova Plus directly from the keypad. You'll learn how to move the machine, set the origin point, frame your design, and start a job safely. The Nova Plus uses a simple keypad controller. Let's go over the main buttons. Directional arrows. Move the laser head on the X and Y axis. Z-axis buttons. Move the bed up and down. Speed button. Change jogging speed. Origin button. Set the starting position for your job. File button. Browse and select files stored on the machine. Frame button. Outline the job area before starting. Start and pause button. Begin or pause a job. To position the laser head, use the directional arrows on the keypad. You can jog the head left, right, or backward, forward, to raise or lower the bed, use the Z-axis buttons. On the keypad, you can change the jogging speed. Jogging simply means manually moving the laser head. When I increase the speed, the head will move quickly across the bed. When I decrease the speed, the head will move slower for more precise positioning. Before you run a job, you must set the origin point. This tells the machine where to start. The Nova Plus has an autofocus function. This automatically sets the correct distance between the nozzle and your material. Simply position the laser head over your material. Press autofocus, and the machine will lower or raise the bed to perfect focus height for you. Autofocus takes away the guesswork and gives consistent, sharp results. Your designs are sent from Lightburn to the controller and saved as files. To select a file, press the File button on the keypad, scroll to your design and press Enter. Always frame your job before starting. The Frame button moves the laser head around the outline of your design, so you can check the size and the alignment. Once everything is ready, press the Start button to begin the job. If you need to stop for a short time, press Pause. To cancel, press Pause and then Escape. To keep your controller tidy, you can delete old files. Select the file, press the Delete button and confirm. That's it for operating the Nova Plus from the keypad. Now you've learned how to move the machine, set the origin, frame your job and run it safely. In the next video, we'll move over to Lightburn software to show you how to prepare and send your designs to the Nova Plus. Keypad overview. Arrows, Z-axis, speed, origin, file, frame, start, move head and bed, X, Y and Z axis. Change jogging speed. Set origin. Define job start. Autofocus. Select file, load from controller. Frame job, check position and size. Start, pause and stop. Safe job control. Delete files, keep controller tidy.